here we go again.
They say Taipei Children's Amusement Park is for kids. I've brought an actual living child with me. The challenge is, can a man of a certain age, let's just say late 40s, do all 13 kids rides here and keep my food down? We've got our tickets on our arms. It's only 200 Taiwanese dollars. That's like 12 New Zealand dollars or about $7 US for an all-day pass. Unbelievable value. Just typical here in Taiwan, where people really aren't interested in paying hundreds of dollars for a day's activities. So we're going to check it out. Unlimited rides. I've got to do all 13 for 200 NT. It's time for me to do one that I'm absolutely petrified of, the pirate ship. It's going to take me all the way up and down. You know the drill. Let's do this while I keep my breakfast down.
You'll be okay.
While I'm trying not to spill my guts out, let me tell you more about the park. Remarkably, this is a public-run theme park managed by the company that runs the Taipei subway system. It is seen as a public good, so it is very reasonably priced.
That does not look like my thing.
And is located right in the middle of the city. Come on a weekday outside school holidays as we did for queues under 10 minutes.
I don't think he's enjoying it. And if you catch me doing these.
Food options are also way cheaper than at most theme parks, with the glorious 7-Eleven and Mr. Donut type stores offering fantastic value.
Alright, survived the pirate ship, kept breakfast down, that's a tick from me. Bumper cars. What are you thinking about bumper cars, Grace?
Exciting.
Here we go, bumper car time. This is more my kind of speed and more like my wife's driving. It's very, very slow. I think I can handle this one. Oh, let's get these people here. Oh, I'm stuck in traffic. It is Taipei. Oh, let's get this one over here. Just like you're driving at home, isn't it? Oh, that's up. Time's up. If you need a break from the rides, you can come in here and play these games at extra cost. Next up, teacups. And I brought a real life child with me to give it a go. Grace is setting this one out. Excited?
Yep.
We'll see. Alright, let's give it our best go. And we're off. Elizabeth says she wants to be in charge of spinning. Oh, she's going for it. Oh, oh, this is quite a rush. It's a bit faster than I remember it being. Oh.
Just making it good for you.
Oh boy, here we go. How's this going
alright. It's going fine, thanks.
Yeah? This has been a remarkably long ride. It feels longer than I thought it should have been. We made it. Breakfast still intact. Next stop, the clams. These make the teacups look like, well, morning tea. Oh my gosh, this is next. There's nothing strange at all about a man in his 40s at a child's amusement park doing the rides on his own. I'm hoping today's my day and that ride over there is being maintained. There's no one in the queue. I'm hoping it's out of order. Maybe it's just got mechanical issues that'll resurface when I'm on the ride. Who knows? And we're off! Woo! Have a look around me. Well, this makes the teacups look easy. Also, I noticed that just when you think it's finished, whoa, they spin you around in the other direction. So this is only the first part. You see, they lull you into a false sense of security, but here we go again. Oh my gosh. Holding on for dear life. And you see now, things are calming down. You think it'll all be okay. But they have other things in mind. It's over. We survived. And then this happens. I knew this was coming, but I still hoped it wouldn't. Here we go the other direction. Oh gosh. If you have trouble losing weight, I suggest this ride. You'll lose weight really fast. Why? What kind of a challenge is this? The things I do for my subscribers. Make sure you subscribe now, I've earned it. It's still not done. This might be the longest ride in any theme park in the world. Oh, and just like that, we made it. We made it. 4 down. Next we have the flying aeroplanes. This should be an easier ride, we'll see how we go. But then it's the roller coaster. That is the one that I am most petrified of doing. What do you think so far?
Yeah, it's fun.
It's fun? Alright, you're in control if you want to make us go up. Yep, hey sir, press the hey sir. You can press it, hold it in and we go up higher. Alright, that's all it does. Is it super fun?
Yeah.
Even Dad can handle this one.
I did the pirate ship.
I did the pirate ship. This is a bit easier than the pirate ship, that's true. Alright, we can handle it. You're in charge of taking us up, Commander. One that even Dad can handle, that's good news. Oh, there's Mum right up above us. Here she comes. Hi, Mum. In the bravest of fashion, Elizabeth and Grace have deserted me to deal with this on my own. Thanks for that. Look how close you get to the edge of the roof over here. So I've made it into the outer layer to maximize the horror. I don't want to let you down. Okay, they've lifted us slightly off the ground and I think we're off in just a minute. What kind of a ride is this? We're not even moving. Oh, but we're way off the ground now, which is really kind of interesting. I guess our feet don't drag on the floor. There we go. Gives you an idea of everyone else as well. Oh, wow. We're picking up speed. We're going pretty horizontal here. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. I could just about reach out and touch the wall over here. That's how close we are. That's a little bit scary. Safety first. Check how close I am to the side of the wall. Oh gosh. It's actually not too bad. Although we're almost vertical over here, it's actually not too bad. So that's me trying to keep things level, I guess, to give you an idea of the angle we're at. But it's not too bad. It's not too bad. And I think the ride's already coming to an end. I'll take this over the clams or the pirate ship any day. 6 down, but I can hardly walk straight after that one. Let's see how we go with the remaining 6 or 7, depending on whether the broken ride is working or not. This is the one I am most terrified about doing. It looks so classic on this first part, and then they get to the peak over there. Oh, I feel sick just watching this. Time for what will hopefully be the least scary ride of the entire day. This is the slowest ride, the Orbiterra, the monorail around the entire theme park. And although this cabin can take 6, they've just put the 3 of us in here, which is kind of nice, but it also means there's a really long queue standing out there. This is as fast as it goes. But it's good. It gives you a nice view out of the whole park, which is kind of cool. I hear something calling my name. Wolfing down a donut, and then I have an hour and a quarter to do 5 more rides. I just don't know how I'm going to make it, but I'm going to give it my best shot. There's 3 clustered close together downstairs. I'm going to try those together now. Let's check it out together. The drop tower right here behind me. Surprisingly, there's not much of a queue here, so I may be on the next ride. A lady very generously let me pass so I can go first. Oh gosh, here we go. Up we go. Wow, we're all the way up here. And the drop's going to be sudden and scary. We're a long way up. And I think we're about up to go. That was, oh gosh. That was the first practice round. That was scary, but that was just the beginning. Let's see how we go. There'll be a long one, I think. Oh boy. You can see the people next to me as well. Oh gosh. This is crazy. Why did I sign up for this? Amazing views out there though. Sunset is coming. I think, mercifully, it's quite a short ride. Oh man. Oh god. I don't know whether to laugh or cry. The stop at the top is almost as bad as at the bottom. Okay. Alright, and I think that's it. I think I survived. This is the ride I didn't get to do because of maintenance. It's getting towards the end of the day. I want to get to the Ferris wheel as it gets to dusk so that I can go up in the giant Ferris wheel. There it is behind me with Elizabeth and Grace. So hopefully we can get on to like the last circuit of the day just as the sun is setting. But before that, I still have to do this one, the crazy bus, and the carousel. I made it into the school bus and we're off. One thing I have learned is doing all the rides as a man in his 40s makes it a lot faster. I've managed to do the roller coaster, which I'll show you later. What else? The swing drop, and now this, all within about 10 minutes of each other. So this is what happens when you can run from place to place. Yeah, this is one of the tamer ones. I deserve this after what I've been through today. It does give you lovely views of the park. My date with destiny has arrived. I'm standing in the queue for the one I've been most terrified about. Here they go, the giant roller coaster. Well, not really giant, but giant when you're me. I'm next. Okay, and we're off. This is the easy part so far. I've got about a minute of the climb. I timed it beforehand, so it takes forever to get to the top, and then all chaos happens around you. But hey, amazing views of what might be the final moments of my life. But look at those incredible views over there. Unbelievably beautiful here at the riverside, but I think it's all about to go badly wrong. Let's see how I go, eh? POV. It's not very long since I ate lunch. This is what I do for you. Don't forget to subscribe, even if it's posthumously. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I hope that was the worst part. Oh, here we go again. Oh gosh. Here we go again. Oh boy. I think we're over there. Oh gosh. I thought we were over the worst. That's great. It's over. I survived the roller coaster. Mission accomplished. While I was doing the roller coaster, Elizabeth and Grace were doing this, the carousel. Very cute. The only problem is they've said they don't want to do it again. They did it twice, which means as a 40-something-year-old man, I have to ride this on my own. Not weird at all. To make the greatest content I can for YouTube, I have found the highest animal that I can. It's higher than all the others. You get to watch me try and climb this. Here I go. Oh, I am getting way too old for any of this in so many ways. I'm the only person on this ride that doesn't have a toddler with them. Flatteringly enough, they have this safety belt over here where it's just got little hooks, and you put the appropriate hook over this little metal contraption here. And look at that. I am not the fattest person who can go on this ride. This is about as fast as it gets. What's really interesting is they close at 5 o'clock. It is 25 minutes to 5 right now, and the park is beginning to empty out. So actually a lot of these more docile rides are basically empty. So if you are bringing a family, you can get on them without much of a queue at all. The longest we've waited for anything so far was the Orbitero, the monorail that goes around the whole park. For some reason they were really slow at getting people off and on. But other than that, on a school day, there's not a long waiting time. But hey, you came here to see a grown man riding a carousel. I have delivered. I have made it off the carousel. Final ride is the Ferris wheel. I've got to get all the way up to the top of these stairs. It's just up there. I have no idea how long the queues are. I've got to find my way. I think I can go up these stairs. I asked Elizabeth if there was much of a queue. She said there were a few people, hopefully not too many, and hopefully they don't all have the same idea as us, which is to try and get the last ride of the day just as the sun's setting. I think I have one more flight of stairs. Oh, all that fitness I don't have is coming in handy here. And we're there at the Ferris wheel. Made it onto the Ferris wheel. This is the last of the 12 activities that are actually available today. The sun is just beginning to go down. Our timing here is perfect to get the best views of the city. I was hoping to do 13 activities, but to my great delight, the dancing fly was under maintenance, so I only had to do 12. It's just before 5 o'clock. Look at the incredible views of the sunset that we're enjoying here. Plus, amazing views down of the whole park below you. Really special. Amazing value. I think that's a good place to end the video. I managed to do all 12 that were open and keep my lunch down. If you like this video, please click like, please subscribe so you can continue to follow us on our adventures, including real life here in Taiwan.